Happy to have you here, James. Great in the new year.
Nice to be here. Nice
Yeah.
to be here.
Do you mean what is strange and funny today? If you go, you can probably speak into my computer. That's
For real?
yeah, we try it. Okay, let's go here into the console. Can you say something now?
Okay. Git status.
Okay, now. Therefore, I go to the configuration and then take a look into this and then open it larger and then when system default is that what we not want to have. We want to have a Mac and desktop at the same time. So I need to
Mm.
stop this. Maybe it's a good idea. Then you can see you can toggle where the
Yeah.
input is there.
Sebastian, can you hear me? Like unmute yourself.
Sorry. I have switched with a hotkey to English now,
Yeah.
and now I will
Okay.
then please say something.
Hi. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, but this was not very special. You maybe do this with the Git status before or something. But it works pretty
Okay.
good. It works pretty good. Yeah, you're right. So I press the button for you. Maybe it's later you can do it by yourself.
Okay. It's F9, right? Oh, you muted, by the way. Don't forget it mutes you every time.
I did it already.
Oh.
I said I press it and then it was recording. So I
Okay.
tell you which button it is. Maybe you can press it by yourself. This is the button between print and pause. There's a button in the middle. I don't know how it's called.
Oh, you see, I have a different keyboard. I don't have the big keyboard. I have a smaller keyboard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That means I say start and then press the button and then you say something. Okay.
Okay.
Start.
Git git status.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's try again.
You were saying git status. So
Yeah. Let me say git status. Yeah.
yeah, you have said 3 words. So therefore, but it works pretty good, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. I can see that.
But
Yeah.
do you have
Let me
an
say
idea?
correctly, and then we can move on.
Yeah, do you have an idea why is this was not recognized as Git status?
Why?
There are some reasons. These are because these are 2 words. Then the system is not expecting that this Git there in the middle
Mm.
because so it's now searching for all words. Now it should be off. So what's the plan today? Good question. I can show you another feature. If I go here to the maps, and then go for playground maybe. Where's playground? Sandbox, and then go. We have no English here. Here we have English because copy is more fun than write everything new. And
Yeah.
and then we can stop this. And a new feature is um, um, please say something now.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, that's
Look
great.
at that.
That's great. And I will show you now something when I go here for test. Here it is. It was a little bit slow now. It was or here you see it. You see it? It was a little bit slow,
Yeah.
but it did already all for you only need to press something hello and the rest will be written automatically.
Oh wow.
That's good for beginners.
Yeah.
That's
So
very easy.
over here, so I said hello everyone, and then you said what did you say? A certain word, right?
I the system is only working when it needs something to do, maybe like a voice command or something. Then the system wake up. That is for performance reasons, and then it checks all
Mm.
rules, and then it finds some errors in this rule, and then it's automatically correct the errors in this map.
Oh wow. And then I can see kind of created a whole config here. So it said import re.
Yeah, it's completely everything was. And also
Wow,
when you
that's
write
actually
something here, new entry, uh, and when I say now something again like hello again,
what? That's actually quite cool. Created the entries into. Oh, you muted by the way.
of course that makes no sense, but you can now replace it with a new word or something.
Yeah, nah, but
Doesn't.
that's quick. Like
Mm.
shortcut keys. We're creating shortcuts.
It's when I speak something, then the system wakes up. Um, it's also good to
Yeah,
see. Hmm? That's
I
also
mean it in a sense where it makes everything easier and quicker.
yeah, shortcuts like this. Okay. What I also want to show you maybe in the future when we go for Zero Day, that's a game, and
Yeah.
we make we say to the community there, we make a video how
Oh,
how
I know what you mean.
so we can
Yeah,
say we
like
start at
live videos.
live videos. We say it starts at 20 2030 or so, and then some people will.
Yeah. Oh,
So
that would be cool. Yeah.
it is not so very difficult. I can show you maybe now a little bit of it. Um, because when we what's up here? If we go here to the game and then we check hotkeys, and there's so many hotkeys for maybe
Yeah.
build or something. So we simply need to say, for example, C or F, then we build a farm.
Okay.
It's very easy. So we can now say maybe here something like um, build farm, and then we only send the FK to the game, and then it builds a farm.
Mm, okay. No, that would be fun. Nah, this would be nice on the live view.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That would be very nice. Yeah.
Privacy. This one, and then here it is. This one, and then I can show you a little bit like looks like.
Okay.
Okay, try to be fast as possible.
Yeah,
And
yeah. Oh, so this is the file where you programmed the stuff.
yeah, this is you see that it's in German here. It means
Yeah.
build build a build a house, and then this is the word for English house, and
It's
but
ace
yeah,
or
but it
house.
should be also house. This is, for example, a mistake. There should be also house inside of this here, because
Yeah.
eventually a person say house. So then,
House.
yeah,
Yeah.
then this means these are all possible entries on this side. Uh,
Mm.
this is already house is already in there, because this means a word. That means this is a word. Uh, slash v is a word, so the house is already included of this, but doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
It can also be twice. It makes no. It's okay.
Okay, so it also with this is also the word is included and then it's build
Yeah.
over
Yeah.
here. Okay, that I may understand. Carry on.
Yeah. So this is built. You're right, and sometimes there was speaking problem, and then sometimes it was understanding powerhouse, but powerhouse makes no sense in the game context. So it should. then we say, okay, it's built house then.
Okay, I understand.
Hmm.
I think maybe when we try it, you just give me some German words, and then I can also give an example. Like, let's say, build
Hmm.
Baccarat or something like this. Like this
Yeah,
word, you just say it to me, and then I'll just say the same thing and see it
we
built.
can build a English part of it with your help. Some
Yeah, of
commands with
course.
your help, because when I speak it in English, maybe it sounds not typical. When somebody else do it,
Yeah,
then it will not matching. So
it's
it's
okay.
best.
Yeah, we can code it together as well. Like
Yeah, that's a
get
good
some
plan.
copies.
We work together on it. I look at it, what you do, or you speak it into, and then we have a
Yeah.
terminal between voice to the game.
Okay. But then tomorrow we can just have another video call on something else, and
And then
then
we can
on
do.
Monday we do this.
Okay, okay, great.